Hi. Okay, so what we can see here that Nico has done is that because the video, as you can read in the article, is more there to create a feeling and create a bit of movement so that the viewer is captured more of the ad, then she has added both text animation but also animations on a splash and a CTA button as well to make sure that all the correct information is coming across. And then to make the video kind of blend even more with the text, what we've done is we've added two gradient layers, one with a light gradient on the top and one with a dark gradient on the bottom, to make sure that even though the video can make some of the text difficult to read, we're going to add the gradient levels to make sure that the text is always very readable from the beginning to the end. And as you can see here, the result is just a very nice ad with the video kind of fitting perfectly to the text and the messages that we're trying to get across.